Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate dynamic lock screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you can go to your setting and you have to open the wallpaper and style setting, this one guys, and click on the change wallpapers option. And here you have to scroll down a little bit until you find the wallpaper services. Click on this option, and if you want to activate your dynamic lock screen, you can click on this option like this, and you can choose the theme by clicking on the setting icon. And here there are a couple of themes you can choose for your dynamic lock screen. And for instance, I'm just going to choose the plants and the cat as well, like this. Once you're done, you just need to go back and check it. I'm going to lock my screen and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, this is the lock screen guys, the dynamic lock screen. It will change every time you lock your screen, like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate the dynamic lock screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.